We predict that the design of the iPhone 9, SE2 2020 will change significantly. The metal frame, as well as the front and rear 2.5D glass will remain in place, but the surface of the metal frame will be similar to the design used in the iPhone 4, the analyst report says. Minichico is confident that the updated iPhone 9, SE2 will look and feel completely different in the hand, but new production technologies will require significant costs. The expert believes that the company's costs for a metal frame and glass case will increase by 50 to 60% and 40 to 50%, respectively. At the same time, it is possible that the price of the device for the consumer will also increase. At the beginning of April it became known that Apple will hold an unplanned April presentation. On April 15 this is evidenced by invitations to the press, which were merged into social networks. The tagline of the presentation was the phrase, "Loved by millions. Created by the best, loved by millions. Created by the best."